name is Kevin Johnson, and I'm a lawyer. So the problems we were trying to solve with the purchase of the generator were the power outages that happened because of winters and windstorms here in Western New York. Ryan's product stood out from other products because of the people who stand behind them. What really sold us on the Honeywell generator is the fact that it's an American company, it's a known brand, and we just believe that there will be reliability with Honeywell. The thing that made us happiest about working with Ryan was the customer service. They were eager to help us without being pushy. They worked hard until the job was finished, and all around the experience was excellent. The experience with Ryan exceeded our expectations because the job was done well, it was done on time, and the employees were conscientious and hardworking throughout the process. If there's one word I would use in describing my experience with Ryan, it would be happy. We're happy with the product, with the service, and the overall process was wonderful.